How to transfer money from TD Bank to EQ Bank. Log into your TD online banking account using your credentials. Navigate to the Transfers or Send Money section. Choose the option to add external account or link account. Enter the details of your EQ Bank account including the account holder's name, EQ Bank transit number, and any other details. Confirm the addition of EQ Bank account by following the on-screen prompts. Once the EQ Bank account is linked, initiate a transfer from your TD Bank account. Choose the EQ Bank account as the recipient for the transfer. Enter the amount you wish to transfer. Review the transaction details and confirm the transfer. Authenticate the transfer using your preferred security method. That's it. Thanks for watching the video.